Okay. So, when you have double M reading or double letters, that first one has to be pronounced. Everything in Igbo word comes out. It cannot silence it. You cannot muffle it. You have to sound it. Mmụọ ozi ahụ. Mmụọ. The first M. Mmụọ ozi ahụ. Where William Nike mmụọ nsọ. Okay, 1 second. I need to plug my computer. I need to pause the recording. Okay. Mmụọ ozi ahụ wee bulie m n'ike mmụọ nsọ. Mmụọ ozi, the angel is mmụọ ozi. That is ahụ. Mmụọ ozi ahụ, meaning that angel. Wee bulie m, okay, elevated you. When you something say wee bulie m elu. Okay, so it elevated you. Just wee bulie m n'ike mmụọ nsọ, Holy Spirit. Mmụọ ozi is the angel. Mmụọ nsọ, Holy Spirit. Okay? Let me okay. Mmụọ nsọ. Bugam. This is Bugam. And transported me or sent me. So where William, okay, elevated me and sent me or took me, okay, na otu ugwu di okelu, to the high mountain. One, otu means one. Otu, ugu is a hill. Di okelu, so it's talking about the mountain now, okay? Webuga notu ugu di okelu. All right. We're gonna go. I hope everybody understood what we did there. All right. Where go sim where. This is, so I hope you're following the reading. And do not start doing something else. You need to see what I'm doing. Where go sim, and it showed me or revealed to me. Where go sim, when you showed something to me, when you revealed something to me. Where go sim obodo nsọ ahụ. Obodo can be the state, that holy state, or that holy town, or a holy city. Obodo means, like I say, Ebuka, obodogi, or I say Chukwuemeka, kedebe wu obodogi, meaning, where are you from? Tell me your town, or tell me your state, or your country. Obodo can be your country, your state, or your village, or your town, depending on the content. Okay? I may say now, okay, well, since we're in the same state, I will say, Chukwuemeka, kedu obodo ABC, meaning which country are you from? Then, if Chukwuemeka, if both of us are from Georgia, Chukwuemeka say, okay, abụ m onye obodo m wu Georgia, ịghọtara, mana ebe m si wu maybe Riverdale. You see, so you can just tell us the city, but when we are talking about obodo, it can be your country. I can say, kedu obodo ebe isi? Or you can ask him, kedu ebe m si? Obodo ebe m si. Either you're asking me my country, or my city, or my town, depending. If you and I are in the same city, and you want to know if I'm from the same city. If we're in the same city, and then I can say, okay, Esim, Riverdale, Eshim, Fairville, Eshim. And, you can just say it. So, obodo nsọ, obodo dị nsọ means a holy city, or a holy country, or a holy state. Okay. Onye dị nsọ can be someone who is holy. Onye dị nsọ is someone who is holy, or somebody who is holy. Now we look at it and say, Ralo de Aso. Ralo de Aso means Ralo is a holy person. Okay. I can say, Ralo mmụọ nsọ. Ralu is the Holy Spirit. Ralu is Moses. Ralu is an angel. You know, something like that. So words like this, you have to pick the words. Then when you see it next time, you know what it is. That's why if you want to learn how to speak good English, read the novels. Read the novels. The same thing, read the Igbo readings. The same thing that they will tell you in English, it applies in every language. Read the readings on that language, keep reading, keep learning new words. That's how you learn too. And then by speaking it at home, these are two ways for you to learn. Read it, get to know what it is. The one you don't know what it is, make a note of it. During class, I want to know what this is. If you have somebody to ask at home, it's the question. It won't hurt to ask. And that's how you learn. It's a miracle is not going to happen. Just because you registered to take Igbo class, you're not even coming to class. If you're not even doing your homework, you don't even pay attention, then you don't even speak it. You don't practice with it. How would you learn to speak? So let's do our own part to be able to do it. All right. Owe gosim obodo. I will ask questions. I keep explaining, telling you these words, what they are, because I'm going to ask questions. So you better pay attention. All right. Aware. Gosim. Gosim means revealed, or you showed me something. Obodo nso. Keep maximizing. Obodo nso ahụ bụ Jerusalem. So we're this obodo, so the holy place now is Jerusalem. Obodo Jerusalem. Okay? The country Jerusalem or a city Jerusalem. Ka o si na eluigwe. Ka o si na eluigwe. Ne ebe Chineke no. Na-arịdata. So he revealed to you, in this case, we're talking about God or Holy Spirit, revealed to you that holy place called Jerusalem as is coming down from heaven where God resides. Okay? Eligwe, ka o si n'eligwe, which is eligwe, where it's coming down. Okay? Eligwe means heaven. Nebe Chineke no, where God resides. Na-arịdata, when you're coming down. For example, I can say, Emeka na-arịdata na step. Okay? Emeka is coming down from upstairs down. Okay? Emeka is coming down from upstairs. And say, Emeka na-arịdata na step. See, Emeka na-arịdata na ala. Meaning, he's coming from upstairs, okay, going down. Ọ na-arịdata. Okay, somebody called, kedu ka m si? Zikora ga-asị, Mama, ka m si na-arịdata n'ala. It means he's coming down from stairs. So something coming down from up, down. Okay? So I know why I'm just trying to explain this one line by line, because I want you to know what you're reading. Not just doing the reading, you need to understand what you're reading. Okay? Okay. O jupụtara na ebube Chineke, ebube. Okay? Full of grace. So o jupụtara na ebube Chineke. It's filled with full of grace. Okay? God's grace. You know that Chukwu, Chineke means God. So whenever you see that, you know what it is. O jupụtara. You see there? I'm moving my mouth. So there. O jupụtara is filled. Okay, something that is filled. All right. Name, okay. What is this one? Na-enwu, mana achakwa, deka, nkume. Okay, let's take it one by one. Na-enwu, something that is blazing, okay? Okay, say okay. Ikenna ga-amụnye ọkụ. na okpukpu ọkụ, which is na stove. Okay, okpukpu ọkụ means stove. Okpukpu ọkụ. Ikenna munye stove ọkụ. So Ikenna sị na ọ na-enwu. Ọkụ na-enwu. It means it's on. Okay? Ọkụ na-enwu. So when you hear that na-enwu ma na-achakwa, it's also okay, just brighten up. Okay? Deka, like. The word deka means like. Deka nkume. Nkume means stone. Another word for nkume is okute. Okute. Another word for nkume means okute. So don't tell me you don't know what it is, because I may ask you what another word for nkume. Another word for nkume is okute. Deka, like if you want to give me examples, say, I'm talking about this pier, like it looks like Odeka. Okay, Odeka. Now you want to tell me what Chukwuemeka look like? Chukwuemeka Adeka. Nwoke ahụ bi n'ogbe anyị. Ogbe anyị means in a neighborhood. Onye bi na ogbe anyị. When you say, okay, Chukwuemeka will say, I say, Chukwuemeka kede bibi. Where do you live? Chukwuemeka will tell me, I live in your neighborhood. So for you to tell somebody you live in their neighborhood, ebim na ogbe. You see that? Ogbe. Or I can say, kedu ogbe ebibi. Which neighborhood do you live in? Kedu ogbe ebe ibi. Ebim na ogbe. Ebim na ogbe Ralo, meaning I live in Ralo's neighborhood. Ebim na ogbe. Ibi na ogbem. Ibi na ogbem. You live in my neighborhood. Then, now pay attention. Neighborhood and a neighbor, they are two different things. Neighborhood and a neighbor, they are two different things. If I move away, I think I have to stop sharing. Let me share another page because I want to type what I'm saying. I want you to understand what I'm saying. Okay. All right. So if we say neighborhood, okay? Okay, let's say Ogbe. Ogbe. And we have onye agbata obi. Agbata obi. Okay, these are two different things, okay? Now, Ogbe means neighborhood. Come on. Ogbe means neighborhood. Okay. Onye agbata obi means my neighbor. Okay. Wait, gosh, what's going on with me this morning? My neighbor is onye agbata obi. In this case, it's going to be, okay. Onye agbata obi means neighbor. When you put mine, it means onye agbata obim. So now purely neighbor means onye agbata obi. When you say my neighbor, onye agbata obim, onye aba, you can hyphen it or you can write it together. It doesn't matter. Onye agbata obim. Now that's where you add M. That one is my neighbor. My neighbor, okay? Good. Now, when you say ebim na agbata obi gi, I live in your neighborhood. Ebim n'agbata obi gị. I live in your neighborhood. Ebi m n'agbata obi gị. Say that. Ebi m n'agbata obi gị. Ebi m n'agbata obi gị means I live in your neighborhood. I live in your neighborhood. So that's how you say that. Ebi m n'agbata obi gị. I live in your neighborhood. So you see, there are two different things. I don't want you to think, onye agbata obi is ogbe. Ogbe is a neighborhood. Neighborhood is ogbe. Ogbe. Okay, so if you have a question, write it down. Very soon I'm going to, let's see how far we can get. Then I'll let you ask questions. So I'm going to stop sharing this page. I'll still send it to you guys. So I'm going to stop sharing this to share. Let me share a new page. Go back to the reading. Okay, so remember we said ojuputara. Pay attention. I will ask you a question. Kedu the meaning of gịnị ka ojuputara pụtara n'oyibo? Kedu onye ga-agwa m ihe m kwuru n'ọwụ ihe ọ pụtara? Ojupụtara na ebube Chineke. I need somebody. Achọrọ m onye ga-agwa m ihe ọ pụtara maka ekwuru m ya ugboro ole na ole here ebe a. Ewu na ịma ya welie aka gị elu. Kedu onye ga-agwa m ihe m kwuru na o jupụtara na ebube Chineke? Jacob, gịnị ka m kwuru?
It is full of grace.
Full of grace. Okay. Whose grace?
God's grace.
There you go. That's what it is. O jupụtara na ebube Chineke. All right. Gịnị ka m sị na nkume wụ? Gịnị ka nkume wụ? Gịnị bụ nkume? Kedu onye ga-agwa anyị ihe m sị na nkume wụ? Gịnị ka ọ wụ ka m sị? Gịnị bụ nkume?
Nkume bụ stone.
Kedu aha ọzọ a na-akpọ nkume?
What?
Kedu aha ọzọ a na-akpọ nkume?
Okwute.
Okwute, not okwute. Wo okwute.
Okwute.
Yeah, that's another name. Dalo. Okay, so now, obodo ahụ nwekwara mgbidi. Okay, dị oke elu. Remember last time I said mgbidi is something that is built. It was a man-made. Sometimes they're also referring to a very high hill, something that is not flat. Anything mgbidi is something that is, concaved up or elevated up or a high, something that is not flat. All right? Mgbidi. So it's also telling us about this Jerusalem, this holy place called Jerusalem. A house. It says, it has very high hills. That's how it's trying to explain, give us some landmarks or, tell us about this place. Obodo ahụ nwekwara, it has also. When I say onwere, it has. I didn't say also. But when you say onwekwara, it means it has also. Remember, I was telling us about this place and also telling us other things that you will find. So when you hear these words, onwere, na onwekwara, onwere, onwekwara, there are two different things. This is when you're trying to say also. Okay? It's like atomizing things. All right. So ọnụ ụzọ is a door. Okay? Ọnụ ụzọ. If you say ụzọ, ụzọ can mean a door, can also mean main road. But when you say ọnụ ụzọ, mechie ọnụ ụzọ, close that door. Mechie ọnụ ụzọ. Mechie ọnụ ụzọ ahụ, close that door. Mechie ọnụ ụzọ, close the door. All right. Now, edekwasekwara, eba say edekwasekwara. When you say edekwasere, it means it's written on. Something is written, okay? Edekwasere means it is written on. But when you say edekwasekwara, it is also written. So I want you to pay attention to this. Enwere na enwekwara. Edere, edekwara. Also, all right? Also, I want to make sure you have enough time to ask your questions, but let's keep going. Edekwasekwara na ọnụ ụzọ iri na abụọ. You know your numbers. Iri na abụọ, 12. Ahụ. Those 12 doors. Okay? Aha ebo. Now, when you're talking about ebo, the clans, the kindreds, okay? When you're talking about the ebo, just like I say, obe. Okay, obe, neighborhood. Now, in that neighborhood, your neighborhood, there are clans or kindreds. So each kindred have their names written on each door of those kindreds. All right, so, and I say, edekwasekwara n'ọnụ ụzọ iri na abụọ ahụ. Aha ebo iri na abụọ nke ụmụ Israel, the Israelites, all their kindreds or clans or whatever they call it, their names or their neighborhoods names were written on each those doors. Now, n'akụkụ, this is the second paragraph. N'akụkụ ọwụwa anyanwụ. Kedu onye ga-agwa m ihe m kwuru bụ ọwụwa anyanwụ? Gịnị bụ ọwụwa anyanwụ? Kedu onye chetara ihe bụ ọwụwa anyanwụ? You all don't know it, but nobody will ask questions. When you're doing this reading, please make notes. Go back to my recording, listen to it while you're reading. If you're listening to my recording while going over these readings, you should be able to read this fluently within an hour or within 2 days. Okay, Jacob,
The coming of the moon.
no, anyanwụ was sun. Moon bụ ọnwa. Ọwụwa anyanwụ is like sunset. Ọdịda anyanwụ. Okay. So okay. Ọwụwa is sunrise, sunset. Okay. When you say when the sun is coming out. Ndịda anyanwụ. Some people say ọdịda anyanwụ. Okay. Sunrise, sunset. Okay. Ọwụwa anyanwụ. And then ọdịda anyanwụ. When sun is coming out, when sun is going down. You need to know that. Okay. N'akụkụ. Gịnị bụ akụkụ? Gịnị bụ akụkụ? Ọ nọ n'akụkụ gị. Kedu ebe ọ nọ? Sị gị, ọ nọ n'akụkụ gị. Gịnị ka m kwuru? Ọ nọ n'akụkụ gị. Kedu onye ga-agwa m ihe bụ? No, also Jacob nọ ebe a. Kedu onye ma ihe bụ akụkụ?
My
Jacob, gịnị bụ akụkụ? Your side, good. Nsị akụkụ aka nri gị, gịnị ka m kwuru?
My right hand side.
Akụkụ aka ekpe.
Left hand side.
Good, daalụ. So, n'akụkụ ọdịda anyanwụ, see ọdịda anyanwụ when the sun is going down. All right? No, you guys know we can't just be going line by line because I already sent this. Now, gịnị ka m kwuru bụ edekwasekwara? Gịnị bụ edekwasekwara? Kamzi, gịnị ka ọ bụ?
Edekwasekwara bụ it has been written.
It's written also. So when you hear dekwasekwara, it means something. Also, you're trying to tell us other things. Also, like Kamsi, when I say, Kamsi, you ga-asa akwa gị tata. also, comes you're going to wash your clothes, and also you wash the plate. Okay, so or you're going to wash Zikora's clothes. Okay, so there are two different things when you say edere. Edere aha Kamsi no kute. Kamsi's name is written on the stone, and then I say, and also his school grade. So you see what I'm saying? It's written there. So when you say this was done, and the other one also. So it's edekwa sekwara. All right, dalo. Gịnị ụmụazị? Gịnị bụ ụmụazị? Asị edekwasekwara aha ụmụazụ iri na abụọ. Aha ụmụazụ. Now remember there is something called ụmụazụ. Ụmụazụ. Okay, it's not umuazi now. I'm not talking about umuazi. And we're umuazu na umuazu. Umuazi. Now let's go back to the other. Then I need to stop sharing this. Need to go back to the other. I want to write it down. Okay, so we have something called umuazi. 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 Then we have umuazi. Umuazo. We also have umuazi again. Now, umuazi are little children. Now, umuazo are disciples. Umuazo are small fish. Like umuazo, like fishes, okay? Little fishes. Different kinds of fish, okay? Little fish, all right? So that's what you see. All right? So here, the first one ends the number, Nki said, which is number 5. Let me maximize it. See that. Nki said number 5. Umuazi.
What do you mean? Tell us that.
Umuazi. Little children. Who is mute yourself. If somebody around is please mute yourself.
Shirley Brown.
Okay. Umuazi, little children. Umuaka, also little children, but we're talking about similar things here. So it ends with I. They're not the same, but the two that I'm capitalizing on are umuazi, okay? Umuazo, disciples. Umuazo. You see that two different things. Umuazo, disciples. Umuazo, little fish. Okay? Don't mistake two of them. The sounds. Umuazo, disciples. Umuazo. You can also say little fishes. When you put X, that's when you're talking about different fishes, okay? But if you're talking one species of fish, there should be no X. Okay, so know that. All right, so I need to give you guys a chance to ask questions. The remaining reading, I want you to finish it up. Go start from the beginning. Once you can read it fluently, we are moving on. The ones that sent me their videos, please, I need you to record yourself and send. I want to see something different from the first one you sent to me. If you haven't done anything, please go ahead and send something to me. But please, if you did, record yourself again before Wednesday. You have from now till Wednesday to get better in your reading, because that's what I'm monitoring. That's what I'm trying to see. How good you are, or from A to B and C. But if you're not recording, it won't let me know. And you yourself will know that you're getting better. Listen to the recording I sent, read again. Once you feel comfortable that at least you're moving forward, that you're getting better, record yourself and send to me again. Or you can send to the forum. No problem. Okay. Onwe ndị nwere ajụjụ? Kamsi weliri aka elu nwere ajụjụ?
Enwere m ajụjụ.
Gịnị bụ ajụjụ gị?
Mama m kwuru, I was one of the first people to send one of the this assignment. And she wants to know if you received it because she said that you didn't say anything when
Yeah,
she said
tell her that she didn't, maybe she made a mistake, it didn't come through. Tell her to resend it again, okay?
okay.
Why see ya zitere mu ya ọzọ. Ya zite ya ọzọ means to send it again, okay?
Oh.
Daalụ Kamsi. Chukwuemeka, ngwanụ.
Enwere ajụjụ atọ.
Ngwa jụwanụ nsogbu adịrọ.
Okay. The first one is akuku.
Akụkụ bụ your side.
Is it also chicken? Because I feel like I've heard akuku
No,
before.
Ọkụkọ.
Okay.
Yeah, ọkụkọ. Akụkụ is your side. And then ọkụkọ. You see the difference? Can you see the screen?
Yeah, I can see the screen.
Ọkụkọ means chicken.
Okay.
Chicken, yeah. All right. Ngwa kedụkwa ọzọ? Kedu ajụjụ gị ọzọ?
And then azu.
Azụ,
Like,
fish.
So I'm just confused. I mean, I know they're all similar. Azu.
Azụ. Gịnị bụ azụ, Chukwuemeka?
Yes, fish.
You see, azụ is your back. You see the difference here. We're going to do next week. We're going to start with similar words, different sounds and different meaning, and also same words, same sounds but different meaning. So we are going to do that. Now this one is azu, fish, azu, back. So kedinkebu fish, Chukwuemeka.
Azu.
Kedinkebu back.
Azu.
There you go. Yes, you got it. So the sound is the only difference here. So if you look at it, the same word, they mean different things and their sounds are different.
Okay. So then if you look at the number 5, umuazi.
Umuazi. No, umuazi. Umuazi means little children. It's not umuazu. Now the two that are the same are 6 and 7. Umuazu.
Oh no, I know that one.
Are the disciples of Christ.
Okay.
Now umuazu, little fishes. If you have different species, umuazu just little bitty fishes. Okay. Azu, remember azu. Now let me put this hyphen. You see that? Children.
Exactly.
Are children. Don't forget. Chukwuemeka's children. You see that? One, women. Nwoke, men. So now umuazu.
So I guess my question was for number 5, azi, umuazi. What is azi?
Umuazi. You know, it's kind of like I will say here, like umuaka is a central Igbo. Umuazi is just a dialect. Anambra uses it.
Okay.
But the central Igbo is umuaka. You see that? They also mean little children. But you'll be hearing some Anambra people. Umuazi no nilo. Children are outside.
Okay.
Yeah, so umuazi is a dialect. But you hear it all the time. But the central Igbo is umuaka.
Okay.
Yeah. Kedekwa ajụjụ gị ọzọ?
Mba. Olo.
Or how do you say, I don't have any other question? How do you say that, Chukwuemeka? I don't have any. Enwere m or enweghị m ajụjụ ọzọ. Enweghị m ajụjụ ọzọ.
Okay.
No, I want you to achọrọ ka ikwuo ya. It's on the screen. Look at it. Enweghị m ajụjụ ọzọ.
Okay.
Chukwuemeka, kwuo ya, achọrọ m ịnụ ya.
Okay. Enweghị m ajụjụ ọzọ.
There we go. Kwuo ya ọzọ.
Enweghị m ajụjụ ọzọ.
There you go. Good. Daalụ. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? One or two more people, then I get ready for the next class. Kedu onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? It can be anything. Ihe ọbụla ị chọrọ ịjụ. Anything means ihe ọbụla. Ihe ọbụla. You have to be picking words. Come to class with your notebook. The ones that I didn't write, you write it down and know the word. That's how you pick. Nweghị onye ọzọ nwere ajụjụ? All right. Please, biko, gaanụ gaa gee ihe m zitere. Go listen to the recording. Go over. Keep practicing. I'm going to assign another reading next week. This one, we are done with it. If you don't want to learn, even though you're not making me happy by not doing what you're supposed to do, but I want you to learn. I want you guys to learn. I want you guys to see you guys speaking this Igbo. I want you, when I speak Igbo to you, you respond back to me in Igbo. All right. When is Yoma means have a good weekend, okay? When is Yoma?
Audio.
See you.